In this video, I'm going to show you how to use contract templates in Rock Paper Coin. Rock Paper Coin is, of all the client management systems I've reviewed, the simplest. And I love that. And you can still use contract templates to get your contract signed. So let's dive into how we do that. Hi everyone, I'm Laney. I'm a wedding invitation designer and I love to teach people how to run successful creative businesses. And such a huge part of that is having a good client management system behind the scenes. Rock Paper Coin is a really cool one. I've reviewed so many of them and compared and contrasted, and Rock Paper Coin is really the simplest. So if you're new, if you're in the wedding industry, especially if you're a wedding planner, if some of the other systems feel overwhelming to set up and you want something that you could set up and start using within a day or two, Rock Paper Coin is for you. And if you use the link in the description or the code Laney, you can actually get a free year to try this out. So there's really no downside because it's free for a year. So I have another video where I go over everything that Rock Paper Coin can do, basically more in general, but I wanted to go more into detail into how this contracts feature works. So in contracts, you'll either go to contracts or templates, and today I'm going to show you this template. So what's really cool about Rock Paper Coin is they include a white glove setup with every single account. So when you sign up with them, you can send them your contract templates that exist and they will get them into the account for you. You don't actually have to do anything to get this template created. So this is my design contract and it looks a little bit blurry here, but you can pretty much read it, just see what's on it, and that is good to go. You can have basically as many templates as you want. And then when it's time to actually send a contract to someone, you'll click plus contract. You'll include the names. So let's just say test contract. We'll send it to which of our clients. Let's go with Regina George and Aaron Samuels. And their expiration date is going to be August 17th. Now, I'm going to select the template from here. You can also upload a new contract, which is really a wonderful option if you have something unique going on that you don't have a template uploaded for. And then when you're going to click prepare contract, that's kind of where the magic starts happening, and you can make any edits that you need to this particular contract. So you can see all of the different fields that are included, all of the different initials. I have a lot of initials in mind because I want to make sure they pay attention to things. And then certain things like text boxes, names, signatures, and then the orange ones are going to be my signature. And here's all these autofill fields that you can add into your contract if you need to. So when I click on one of these fields, I can change a lot of things about it, who it is assigned to, which is either me or the client, what field it is mapped to, if it's required or not, some formatting, and then field name as well. And each field will have slightly different options as to what you can change in it, but in general, you want your contracts to be pretty standard. So I'm just going to keep it pretty standard, and then you'll just click send, and that will send to Regina George to get it signed. Then once you have that, when you go into your contracts tab, it will be listed here, test contract, and then date, and you'll be able to view it as well as the status. And if you send it, it'll have the date sent there as well. So you can view all the different contracts that you have. Of course, you can search them and you'll be able to see where you stand with all of them. So I hope this was helpful in seeing how you use contracts and contract templates on Rock Paper Coin. I absolutely love this option, and my favorite part is that you don't even have to upload the templates yourself. They will do that for you. And you can get a whole free year of Rock Paper Coin if you want to, using the link in the description of this video or the code Laney when you sign up. Let me know what questions you have about Rock Paper Coin, or if you want to check out any of the other systems that we use. There's a whole playlist here on our channel. Thanks, everybody.